Hey guys, what's up and welcome back with some new tech news from the Oneplus, which is the Oneplus is going to launch its new fitness band, or we can say a smartwatch, in India. After launching its first generation fitness band in India at rupees 2500, now we have a leaker Mukul Sharma who is suggesting that Oneplus is not going to launch only one watch but two watch this time, which will be one will be the clone of Oppo Watch RX with the round face, and other one will be the another Oppo Watch clone which will be of rectangular shape design, or we can say the better version will be the clone of Apple Watch. Now these watches are reported to have a same specification and different UI, which is that the hardware will be the same but the internal UI will be the different of these both the watches. From the OnePlus iteration W501GB and W301GB suggests that it will be two variants, and which one of could be the OEMs take a pre-existence of an Oppo Watch and will be the Apple Watch clone. Now again, this would make more sense if that the watch is available only in India. So there are few alternative explanations for the dual OnePlus variants, including that one of them could be the high spec version of the Oppo pre-existing product, such as its ECG edition. It is also possible that one model number is rumored OnePlus Watch Cyberpunk 2077 edition. Now this watch can be the perfect companion for the OnePlus 80 Cyberpunk edition, but now that the phone has been gone and the game has also been gone, the Cyberpunk, so we doubt that the edition of that will be launched this. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.